What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. I'm super hyped for this one, guys. We haven't done a New Balance in a while now. This was a sneaker that I kinda liked, but grew on me a whole lot more after seeing some images of it floating around. Shout out to my brother Del 10 one time. And it's gonna be the New Balance 550 in the white grey colorway. Not to be confused with the Amélion d'Or collab, although they look pretty much identical with just slightly less grey color blocking. I was debating between these and the Amélion d'Or joints, and actually liked these regular GR ones more. And of course, it's basically a ritual now. Before we begin, I'm going to be hitting these with a lace swap. Factory knots as always. We'll be going with the 140 cm in sail white. So let's get that done real quick and then on to the unboxing, guys. We've got the regular grey New Balance box. Now onto the shoe. We've got a super clean white upper, a perforated midfoot, 550 stamps on the front eye stays, that signature N logo on the sides, white on white New Balance branding on a cream white midsole, NB logos on the back, grey color blocking on the outsoles, a white nylon tongue with that New Balance basketball logo, and finally sail white laces for that clean vintage look. And now that we've got all that out of the way, let's get into the fun bits with some on-foot looks and style tips. And there you go, guys. That was 3 ways to style the New Balance 550 in the white grey colorway. Let me know which is your favorite look, looks 1 through 3. I may say this a lot, but these are one of my absolute favorite pickups for a while now. These are mad clean, super versatile, and I'm going to be wearing these a ton. Also, there are a pair of Louis Vuitton trainers that I really want that look just like these 550s. The Louis Vuitton trainer sneaker in the Gris colorway. My guy Gone Oliver picked them up recently. Those are so fire, but cost about 1,700 Singapore dollars locally, and I just don't want to drop that kind of cash right now. These 550s are a really great, or maybe even better and more budget friendly alternative, and I'm really happy that I managed to pick these up. As for sizing, I went for a US 9, my usual New Balance 990 size, but these fit just a little bit smaller, and I actually advise going half a size up your usual New Balance size. But with that being said, it's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.